Yeah, definitely moving through the air faster. Oh, look at that. That's going to be awesome. I'm going to have a cloud buster now on my Graffiti Delta Wing. Awesome. Now I can do the deadly trifecta with no problem. Alright, split S maneuver. Into a loop. Into a roll. 3S flight on the Graffiti Delta Wing. Alright, so with the 3S LiPo that I have in it, a GNB 3S 530 milliamp hour 90C LiPo, and a Racer Star 1408 3600 kV motor. My weight, all up weight, is only 151 grams. So I'm just slightly, I think, heavier than I was when I had it set up for the with the 2S. So not bad at all. All right, so let's launch. Takes right off, a little moderate chuck. I've got it in fully stabilized mode right now. And we'll just climb up a little bit. Alright, now we're in gyro mode. I did not even see it twitch. Alright, ready for the first loop. Oh, a lot more power than what it had. I don't have it where I want it yet. I'm going to put a little bit bigger 3S LiPo on it. And you can see by the roll rate it's moving through the wind, through the air a little bit faster. I don't have it the power that I want on it yet. It's much better with this setup on 3S. But I have a Gem Fan Wind Dancer 3-blade 3028 prop. Really easy on amps, but also not quite giving me the amount of thrust that I want. So I'm going to put a prop on it with a little bit bigger pitch. I do have enough power now, look at that, to do deadly trifecta. Victory roll. That's awesome. That is such a floaty little airframe. Now this is not in fully stabilized mode. This is just in wind mitigation mode. This is my big paper airplane, my big paper RC airplane. That's what it looks like. Okay, let's do another deadly trifecta. Split S maneuver. Into a loop. Into a roll, victory roll. I hope I got that. End frame. That was right over me. I was really surprised how light this turned out even on 3S. 151 grams all up weight. That is really lightweight, and it's still so light on the wing. Great slow flight capability. Very maneuverable, very stable, very aerobatic. I really like this airframe. Alright, let's try our hand at another delayed trifecta a little bit further away. Loop. Victory roll. I'm sure I got that one in frame. Somebody shooting at me. Alright. Alright, let's bring it in. I'm going to drop it in the tall weeds over here across the road. They're taller over there than they are over here. How about that? Easy peasy. Alright, I'm completely happy with my setup. I think the only thing I'm going to do now is put a little bigger battery in it and a prop with a little more pitch to give me more power. I want to set it up so it has unlimited vertical. And it's very, very close, but not quite there yet. It is almost a cloudbuster. Almost. That's a wrap on this episode. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.